You don't need to be a programmer to use AI, but should you understand how it actually works? From job applications to news feeds to medical advice, AI is already shaping your life. So the real question is AI knowledge optional or becoming a basic life skill? Hi, I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we break down AI in ways that actually make sense. Today, we're asking whether everyone, not just tech experts, should learn how AI works. Even if you never touch a line of code, AI already touches your life. It decides what content you see, which ads follow you around, sometimes even whether your resume gets seen by a human. When systems affect real people, understanding them becomes a form of awareness, not technical skill. Learning how AI works doesn't mean learning to build it. You don't need to know neural networks or complex math. What matters is understanding the basics. AI learns from data. It can be biased. It makes predictions, not judgments, and it can be wrong. That level of understanding helps people ask better questions and make better decisions. When people don't understand AI, they either fear it or trust it too much. Both are dangerous. AI literacy helps you spot misinformation, question outputs, and recognize when technology is being misused. It's not about mastering AI, it's about not being controlled by it. In the future, AI won't just belong to engineers. Teachers, artists, business owners, parents, and voters will all interact with AI systems daily. And the people shaping AI's role in society won't just be the ones who build it, but the ones who understand it. So should everyone learn how AI works? Not to code it, not to fear it, but to use it wisely and question it confidently. If you believe understanding technology should empower everyone, subscribe to SynthiaTek, because the future isn't just artificial, it's human.